Hi, my name is Adam Avrilla and I would like to welcome you back. It is December. It is all about creating this gorgeous tablescape or one-of-a-kinds for separate rooms in the home for your holiday celebration. Let's get started with our December tablescape. What we're gonna need to start this design is some vessels. The vessels I'm using, I actually thrifted. These were just drinking glasses that I found red and green. So I thought it's gonna look perfect for Christmas. We're gonna line the table with them. They're very compact, so they're not gonna take a lot of space, but it's gonna be huge impact. I've already mixed in the floral food into the water, so we're good to go. The first thing we're gonna wanna do is add our biggest flowers, which is the cremone. Perfect for Christmas. And I have it tilting over a little bit off the edge. And then our lily, we can actually cut this in two. Let me show you. So these are the two pieces I have, the bottom bloom and then the top ones. And I'm going to go ahead and add these here, making sure that we always take the foliage off that's going to go in the water. We don't want any of the foliage in the water to cause bacteria. So we're going to put them there. Next, we're going to grab, what do we have here? Let's do our stock flower. Any of the foliage, again, that's in water, let's pop off. And this is going to go right into the center. Already you can see what a beautiful tablescape this is going to be. Our Gerbera daisies, we can put in with the lily. And then we have Austrameria. Let's go ahead and put this in with the stock flower. And as you go, you can keep moving them out to give yourself a little bit more space. Our roses, let's put in with our cremone. And, oops, no big deal. Just pop that back in. And then we have our cushion mums. Usually I like to pull them off and put them in space, but we're not gonna have enough today, so we're just gonna cut this into 2 units. One we're gonna put by the rose, and the other one by the other. You see that I'm balancing out. If a flower is going on this side, it's also going on that side. Just carries through. This needs to be cut down a little bit more. And then our Matricaria. This we can clean up and we can put in individuals. We should be able to get enough of this for all of them to be that unifying factor that we're looking for. And I'm gonna make sure I take the foliage off, cut this short. Very spring-ish flower. If we were doing this in pink vessel or green or peach vessel, it would look like the perfect spring bouquet. But it shows you how versatile these videos are, that you can utilize them multiple times throughout the year, the same concept. I've done a video like this previously for you in champagne and wine glasses. Anything you have at home you can use to create this tablescape. All right, beautiful, 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 but we gotta winterize it, right? We are in December, we really want to have that winter feel. So we have this gorgeous color enhanced, we call the color Dusty. It just looks like snow is freshly fallen onto the cedar. It has that beautiful frost to it. So I'm gonna cut these into pieces because we want to extend this as much as we possibly can. And making sure we take the foliage off. And this is gonna go throughout the whole design. We want to have this beautiful winter cedar in the whole complete design to add that winter moment. Imagine if these vessels were all white or all frosted or clear and you did all this beautiful white stuff, it would just look like a winter landscape. as we add our final two. Do you see how the cedar is above the other flowers so you can see it? Just adds a moment of whimsy to it, don't you think? Gorgeous. Our last pieces, we have one of the ruscus. So let's break this down into some pieces. Should be able to get 3 units out of here. And I want to put them in where there's some empty space. The rose and the cremone just needs a little bit more to fill in that cup. So we're going to do that on both of these. And that just fills that in. Do you see how that just makes a difference for you? And let's put the last one right into the top. Beautiful, right? I want to finish by adding a little of an accent just to kind of play off of that holiday moment. I have these gorgeous little glass ornaments. Just adds a little whimsy to it. And all I'm going to do is just pop them on. Not really putting them in, I'm just laying them on top just to add that shimmer on the top of the holidays. And how precious is that? Perfect tablescape. If you're having a house full of people and you have separate bedrooms, you can put one of these in each bedroom so everybody has some flowers throughout the house. However you celebrate the holiday season, we hope that you have the best ever. We can't wait to see you in the new year. I can't believe this year has gone by so fast, but it has, and we are excited for what's coming. Remember, like and subscribe, and happy holidays, and we'll see you soon.